once you've decided to drink ginger tea. The next question is, when should I drink ginger tea? You may have heard that it's best to drink it after a meal, but there are many other times during the day when you can reap the benefits of this delicious and healthy beverage. In this video, we'll look into everything you need to know when drinking ginger tea to help with your weight loss journey and share some tips on making healthy choices anytime. So, enough chat, let's spill the tea. How can ginger tea help you lose weight? Ginger contains active compounds called gingerols. These compounds have potent antioxidant effects which may help reduce fat accumulation in the body. In a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, researchers found that gingerols increase fat burning by increasing levels of norepinephrine and epinephrine, the two hormones that increase metabolism. Another study published in Lipids found that gingerol increased energy expenditure, which also contributes to weight loss by increasing activity in brown fat cells. Ginger tea is also helpful in controlling sugar cravings. The anti-inflammatory properties of ginger are known to reduce inflammation and make you feel better after eating rich foods like pizza. Drink ginger tea before meals, especially breakfast. You should drink ginger tea before eating, especially for breakfast. Drinking ginger tea before a meal helps you reduce the amount of food you eat, which can help prevent overeating and weight gain. The powerful antioxidants in ginger also help to boost your metabolism so that your body burns more calories throughout the day. If you're trying to lose weight, drinking a cup of hot water with some fresh slices of ginger root just before each meal may be what it takes for you to reach your goal. To improve athletic performance and burn fat faster, try drinking a cup of hot water with slices of fresh ginger root right before exercise. This will not only satiate hunger pains but also provide natural energy that will keep you going longer than usual during workouts. Drink ginger tea 20 minutes before exercise. Ginger tea is a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for immune function. It also provides manganese and potassium, both of which are minerals that can help keep your muscles healthy as you exercise. However, you should be aware that some studies have shown that drinking large amounts of water during exercise can increase the risk for hyponatremia, a condition characterized by low blood sodium levels. Therefore, it's best to drink an electrolyte-rich beverage such as coconut water or orange juice with your ginger tea instead of plain water when exercising. This will ensure that you stay hydrated without risking hyponatremia. Drink ginger tea if you have a sugar craving. If you are looking for a healthier alternative to sugary snacks and other unhealthy foods, ginger tea is the right choice. Ginger tea is known to be effective in reducing sugar cravings and can help curb your appetite. However, if you have a very sweet tooth or have been eating sugar-packed foods, drinking ginger tea might not be enough alone to curb your cravings. You may also need to avoid certain foods that contain high amounts of sugar or fat as well. Drink ginger tea in the afternoon for a pick-me-up instead of coffee or other caffeine. If you're looking for a natural pick-me-up that's less intense than coffee, ginger tea is the way to go. Ginger contains many anti-inflammatory compounds and antioxidants, which can help improve energy levels and overall health. While some forms of ginger may provide more health benefits than others, all types of this ancient root are great for your body. They contain vitamins A, C, and E, as well as carotenoids such as beta-carotene. Ginger also has several other nutrients beneficial for weight loss, including potassium, calcium which strengthens bones, and manganese which boosts metabolism. Lastly, drinking ginger tea throughout the day will keep you feeling fuller longer, thanks to its ability to aid digestion by stimulating the production of stomach acids that break down food particles into nutrients easier for your body to absorb them into cells. Drink ginger tea at work if you are feeling stressed or anxious. Stress is a big contributor to weight gain, so you might as well get some relief wherever you can. Ginger tea is a great way to calm down and relax, which will help relieve stress, improve your mood, and make it easier for you to focus on the task at hand. If you have a stressful job or feel anxious about something in your life, ginger tea can be an effective solution. Drinking ginger tea has been shown to help people who are experiencing anxiety feel calmer and more at ease with their lives overall. Other health benefits of drinking ginger tea. Ginger tea is one of the most popular teas in the world. It's a traditional remedy for many ailments and has been used for centuries. It contains a number of beneficial compounds, including gingerols, shawgales, zingerone, and others. These substances are responsible for ginger's pungent taste, as well as its health benefits. Boost your overall mood. If you're looking for a natural way to boost your mood, ginger is a great option. The taste of ginger has been shown to help balance serotonin levels in the brain, which may lead to better overall health. Rich in antioxidants. Ginger is also a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation, which can help with weight loss by allowing the body to process toxins more efficiently and eliminate them more quickly from the system. Helps improve digestion. If you're trying to lose weight because of bloating or digestive issues like flatulence or constipation, ginger can do wonders for these symptoms. Its anti-inflammatory properties will help relieve swelling in the digestive tract, while its antibacterial properties promote good digestion by helping maintain healthy gut flora. Reduces inflammation. Ginger contains active compounds called gingerols that have anti-inflammatory effects. This makes them useful in treating arthritis symptoms such as joint pain and stiffness. Helps relieve nausea. Ginger has long been used as a natural remedy for nausea caused by motion sickness and pregnancy. Ginger can also be helpful if you have a cold or flu. Lowers cholesterol levels. Research shows that consuming about 1 gram per day of powdered ginger could lower LDL cholesterol by 11% after 90 days. However, more research is still needed to better validate this health benefit. It may help lower blood sugar levels. Animal research suggests that ginger extract can lower blood sugar levels by up to 6% after eating. However, this study was conducted in rats, so more research is needed before knowing whether it will be effective in humans. What to mix ginger tea with for weight loss. For a great weight loss tea, try mixing ginger tea with lemon. This combination is sure to help you kickstart your metabolism and burn some fat because it helps your body digest food more effectively. You can also mix ginger tea with apple cider vinegar if you want to speed up the process of getting rid of those last few pounds. The natural acids in both ingredients help break down stored fat, which means faster results. Though ginger tea can be beneficial for weight loss, there are some precautions to take before drinking it. While there are no known side effects when consumed as directed, it is essential to note that ginger tea may not be appropriate for everyone. Drinking ginger tea for weight loss. Ginger tea is a fun and tasty way to lose weight. Even better, it contains powerful antioxidants that can boost your metabolism, increase fat-burning abilities, and reduce the symptoms of diabetes. So go ahead, brew a cup of ginger tea when you wake up in the morning, pop in a few slices after a workout at night, or sip on it to curb those post-cookie cravings before they start. Whether you're using it for weight loss or just want to add a bit extra spice to your life, ginger is a recipe for success. That's all for now. We hope you enjoyed this video on incorporating ginger tea into your weight loss efforts, and we hope it helped you understand why drinking ginger tea is such a great idea for shedding pounds and keeping them off long term. Remember, though, ginger tea can only do so much as with any other weight loss drink or diet plan. You still need to eat properly and exercise regularly if you want to get in shape and stay there. But by adding ginger tea into the mix, you could make those healthy habits more enjoyable and more likely to stick around in the future. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.